和樂坊 Bairro da Concordia, Travessa da Concórdia, Concórdia in the streets of Macau, the streets of Macau. Northern Macau. Ooh, the streets of Macau. Ooh, Concordia, 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 Concordia.
Do Bairro da Concórdia. So this is the first street. There's also a second street. So we're gonna go all the way to the end, and then we're gonna go down a little Travessa and combine it, and then we're gonna show you the first one as well, and this is the second one. So before we begin, we'll just put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And by the way, the waterfront is directly down that way. So let's put this up on the map. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. You can barely see the sign, it's so high, but I think there'll be another one. So this is goes to the waterfront right there. There's kind of a that waterfront has like some boats. That one right there is a racetrack. Right there, straight ahead, is a dog racetrack. And we're gonna walk right down the middle. We'll just see if anybody's behind us. And in this area, there's a lot of industrial stuff, so you can see that already. Dragon, one house. Take the dragon. Okay, there's the Evangelical. A lot of cars. That's kind of the main thing, is there's a lot of mechanics in this area. But it's also kind of surrounded by all these tall buildings everywhere too, so there's a certain beauty to it. This is kind of an interesting looking restaurant. That looks really tasty. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down, and I'm actually gonna come over here. I'm gonna try to film my street sign. There we go. De Bairro de Concórdia. So we're gonna go down one more block. I'll just kind of show you what's around here. Lots of tall apartments everywhere. That's look at all those buildings right straight ahead. It's like about 15 stories of apartments. Concordia. Okay, let's go on down. It's gonna be a little bit sunny, but we're gonna go down one of the sides. Looks like it's just sunny for a brief time period. All these car shops everywhere. Okay. Yeah, I think all these cars are probably being worked on. It's also public parking too, so it could be the one. Let's just go down this way. Okay. So yeah, this is kind of my effort to film all the different streets in Macau, kind of document them in time. And this is one I just haven't really filmed because it's very functional. This is the cross street right here. The waterfront is directly down that way. Okay. Lots more mechanic places. Yeah, that's kind of why I haven't filmed it, because it's mostly kind of industrial. Feels like a drill. Okay, let me see. We're almost to the end, so. So at least I've recorded these in 2026. I've had this thing for about 6 years, filming different streets. And there's some streets I film a lot, and then some I don't film at all. And I think when I do film this, because it's called, you know, the first street and second street of the Bairro de Concordia, there's also Travessa de Concórdia right here. The combination of them, I just don't really seem to. It's probably worthy of its own street right there. But this is the Travessa de Concórdia. But this is the. I'll just complete this street, since I did tell you I was going to film all the way to the end. And I'll show you the number 1 and 2. So this just goes around, and it's kind of concave right in here as well. This is the Travessa. So this is the Deutsch, number 2. So it looks almost the same. And you can also see all those tall buildings there, and then if you go through, it'll keep going all the way to the waterfront. There's a little way to go through that way. And we are gonna go, let's see. It's called the Travessa. Travessa da Concórdia. So let's go, we're gonna go all the way to the end. You got some interesting artwork right here. So that's Deutsch in do Bairro de Concórdia, and then this is Travessa de Concórdia. You can see it kind of has this concave look to it. That's our Chaga Street right there. And this one is the one that we're gonna complete. This is a little furniture place in here. It looks like it goes all the way through, so you can get all the furniture, and it goes all the way down to that way. Okay, so this complete our street by coming down to the end, and then that would be Concordia and Travessa. It comes out like here. Kind of concave streets. And that'll be the end.